Shenzhen Wanke Electronic Technology Company Limited was established in 2016. It is a national high-tech enterprise. The company's address is located on the first and third floors of number 133, Hongxing Community, Songgang Street, Baoan District, Shenzhen. The company specializes in the production of electronic products and components, mainly engaged in SMA connectors, DIN connectors, M8, M12, M16 waterproof connectors, BNC connectors, F connectors, and other connector cables and cable assemblies. We have a complete production chain, from design and development to production and sales, truly one-stop service. In addition to high-quality connectors and other electronic components, we also undertake OEM, ODM, and customized products, and the product inspection standard is 10% higher than the ISO inspection standard. We insist on using the best environmentally friendly materials and strict production standards to ensure that the products produced have a long service life and signal transmission is fast and stable. The company has passed CE, ISO 9001, Unilever, BSCI, SGS, and other certifications. The products sell well in China and are exported to North America, Europe, Japan, and South Korea, and other countries. If you have any needs, welcome to contact us. We provide free samples. Meeting your requirements is our ultimate goal. Warmly welcome customers to cooperate with us to achieve a win-win situation and common development.